Trời hôm nay thế nào nhỉ? Hãy cùng khám phá 50 câu nói về thời tiết đơn giản, ngắn gọn, cực kỳ dễ nhớ ngay bây giờ nhé.
It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It's raining. It's raining. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's windy. It's windy. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. It's cold today. It's cold today. It's foggy this morning. It's foggy this morning. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly. It's pouring. It's pouring. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. There's a thunderstorm. There's a thunderstorm. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's humid. It's humid. It's dry and dusty. It's dry and dusty. It's warm and pleasant. It's warm and pleasant. It's overcast. It's overcast. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It looks like rain. It looks like rain. It might snow later. It might snow later. There's a breeze. There's a breeze. The wind is strong today. The wind is strong today. It's stormy outside. It's stormy outside. It's cool and fresh. It's cool and fresh. The weather is perfect. The weather is perfect. It's a bit hazy. It's a bit hazy. It's boiling hot. It's boiling hot. It's chilly at night. It's chilly at night. It's calm today. It's calm today. It's miserable weather. It's miserable weather. It's a bit gloomy. It's a bit gloomy. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. The temperature is dropping. The temperature is dropping. There's a rainbow. There's a rainbow. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. The sky is dark. The sky is dark. Lightning is flashing. Lightning is flashing. Thunder is rumbling. Thunder is rumbling. It's a scorching day. It's a scorching day. It's sleeting. It's sleeting. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave. There's a cold snap. There's a cold snap. It's nice and breezy. It's nice and breezy. It's unbearable outside. It's unbearable outside. The rain has stopped. The rain has stopped. The snow is melting. The snow is melting. The weather forecast says it will rain. The weather forecast says it will rain.